ni Digong na makipag-ano siya kay BBM, join siya. So, Inday made a lot of decisions. She stood by it. And then when that decision is failing, she was actually honest na I actually committed a mistake. And that is the mark of a great leader. Hindi ba? Ang great leadership is not about being perfect. Dahil hindi ka Diyos, be.
Because nobody's perfect, di ba?
Wala, hindi ka Diyos. Yun ang hinahanap ko sa isang leader. Decisive. And then, when that decision happened, and then that decision failed, the next thing that I would accept. So, first, kailangan decisive. Second, ang gusto ko sa leader is my sense of ownership.
Yes, oo.
So, ano ibig sabihin ng sense of ownership? Decisive ka nga. Nagkamali, pumalpak yung decision mo. Tapos hindi mo in-own. So, at least ka sa number 2 ko. Si Inday may sense of ownership. Okay, nag-decide ako, ganyan. And now, I can see na ganito ang nangyari. So, in-own niya. Diba? Hindi siya nahiya, hindi siya nakipagplastikan na, hindi, kasi ganito, ako pa, hindi, Inday could have just continued playing the game. Kasi nakakahiya yan, aminin nyo, nakakahiya yan. That is the price of being decisive. Nakakahiya na decisive ka, tapos yung decision mo turned out to be the wrong one. So, kung wala kang sense of ownership, ang gagawin mo, ipaglalaban mo na lang yung decision mo na tama pa rin kahit hindi na tama, hindi ba?